You need a level 2 EV charger for home. ChargePoint, JuiceBox, Wallbox, Tesla. They all look similar, but prices range from $500 to $1,000. What's the actual difference? I compared specs, features, and real-world pricing. Here's which one gives you the best value. Let's start with what level 2 actually means. Level 1 charging uses a standard wall outlet, 120 volts. It's painfully slow, about 3 to 5 miles of range per hour. Level 2 uses 240 volts, the same as your dryer or oven. That jumps you to 20 to 30 miles of range per hour. For most EVs, that means a full charge overnight. All level 2 chargers do basically the same thing: deliver electricity to your car faster. The differences are in features, build quality, and smart capabilities. Let's break down the top 4 options. ChargePoint Home Flex, $700. Probably the most popular home charger. What you get: up to 50 amps of charging power. Wi-Fi connectivity. App control with scheduling. Works with all EVs. Weather-resistant for outdoor installation. 5-year warranty. The app lets you schedule charging for off-peak hours if you have time-of-use rates. You can monitor energy usage. Set reminders. It's polished and reliable. Downsides: it's not the cheapest. And the app requires Wi-Fi. If your internet goes down, you lose smart features. The charger still works, but you can't control it remotely. JuiceBox 40, $600. This is the value pick. What you get: up to 40 amps. Wi-Fi and app control. Works with all EVs. Amazon Alexa integration. 3-year warranty. The big advantage: open source firmware. If you're technical, you can customize it. And it integrates with home automation systems better than most competitors. It's slightly less polished than ChargePoint, but for $100 less, it's a solid choice if you don't need the premium feel. Downsides: shorter warranty. The app isn't as refined. Some users report Wi-Fi connectivity issues. But functionally, it does the same job. Wallbox Pulsar Plus, $650. The compact option. What you get: up to 48 amps. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Smallest charger on the market. Fits in tight spaces. Works with all EVs. Alexa and Google Assistant integration. 3-year warranty. The standout feature: size. If you have limited garage space or want something discreet, this is it. It's about half the size of ChargePoint. Performance-wise, it's on par with the others. The app is decent. Build quality feels premium. Downsides: smaller size means less heat dissipation. In very hot climates, it might throttle slightly. And the shorter warranty compared to ChargePoint. Tesla wall connector, $475. The cheapest, but there's a catch. What you get: up to 48 amps. Wi-Fi. Works with all Teslas and most other EVs with an adapter. Sleek design. 4-year warranty. The catch: it's optimized for Teslas. If you have a Tesla, it's plug and play. If you have another EV, you might need adapters or settings adjustments. No app. No scheduling. No energy monitoring unless you have a Tesla. It's a dumb charger with Wi-Fi mainly for firmware updates. But if you have a Tesla and don't care about smart features, it's the cheapest option that still delivers full power. Now let's talk about what actually matters when choosing. Feature 1. Charging speed. All 4 can deliver enough power to fully charge any EV overnight. If your car maxes out at 32 amps, getting a 50-amp charger doesn't help. Check your car's specs first. Feature 2. Smart scheduling. If you have time-of-use rates, where electricity is cheaper at night, scheduling matters. ChargePoint and JuiceBox handle this well. Wallbox is decent. Tesla doesn't have it unless you own a Tesla. Feature 3. Energy monitoring. If you want to track how much electricity your EV uses, ChargePoint and JuiceBox give detailed stats. Wallbox gives basic info. Tesla gives nothing unless you have a Tesla. Feature 4. Future-proofing. If you might switch EVs in a few years, get a universal charger. ChargePoint, JuiceBox, and Wallbox work with everything. Tesla wall connector technically works with others, but it's clunky. Feature 5. Installation cost. This is the hidden expense. All 4 need professional installation unless you're an electrician. Expect $500 to $1,500 depending on your setup. If your electrical panel is full, you'll need an upgrade. That's another $1,000 to $3,000. The charger price is just the starting point. Here's my recommendation based on scenarios. If you want the best overall experience and don't mind paying a bit more, ChargePoint Home Flex, $700. Polished app, reliable, great warranty. It's the safe choice. If you want value and basic smart features, JuiceBox 40, $600. Does everything ChargePoint does for less. Slightly less refined, but totally functional. If you have limited space or want something sleek, Wallbox Pulsar Plus, $650. Smallest footprint, premium feel. Great if aesthetics matter or space is tight. If you have a Tesla and don't care about smart features, Tesla wall connector, $475. Cheapest option that still delivers full power. No frills, no app, just works. One more thing: rebates. Some utilities offer rebates for EV charger installation. Check your utilities website. I've seen rebates from $100 to $500. That can make the premium options basically the same price as budget ones after rebates. And consider load sharing. If you have 2 EVs or might get a second one, some chargers can split power between 2 cars. ChargePoint supports this. JuiceBox supports it. Worth thinking about if you're future-proofing. Bottom line, they all do the same core job. Charging speed is similar. The difference is in smart features, app quality, and build. Don't overthink it. Pick based on your priorities. App features, price, size, or simplicity. Any of these four will charge your EV just fine. Next video, time of use electricity rates and how they change the math on solar and batteries. If your utility has TOU rates, this is critical. Subscribe. See you next time.